text function. So when it comes to text function, now text function format a number and convert it to text. So let's quickly make use of it. So in a situation whereby we have numbers, like this, that are a number. So I want to convert to text, right? So we have to use the text function. So the text function will convert it to text instead of being number. What we need to do is just text, then you pick the value, then 0. Okay. This returns to the number. So if you want to do for others, you do for others the same way. So let's do the remaining thing for text function. We have length. Length returns the number of characters in a text string. So it returns the number of characters in the text string. So let's quickly make use of that. So let's assume we have this text string. This is a text string. So let's assume we have this. So we want to use length to get the number of characters we have. Then we select the text, then it will return the number of characters. So here we have 26 characters. So if it is here, then we do the same length and we pick, then it will return the number of characters we have. This is 70 characters that we have here. So that is that about text function. So we're going to move into statistical functions in Excel. So when it comes to statistical functions, we have average if, max, mean, count, counter, count blank, correlation, median, mode, quartile, rank, and skew. So all these we are going to be making use. So we are going to start with max and mean. Max and mean returns the maximum and minimum value in a list of an argument. So let's check it out. So let's check this. Let's make use of this. So we want to check the minimum value in this and the maximum value in this. So let's quickly do it. Then equals to max, then the number here, then basically because it is a range, you can just do C14, right? So we just want to check from here the max. Once it pick it, then 409 is the maximum value. So if you check from here, the highest value is 409. So if you do minimum, the minimum value should be 100. Good, yeah, the minimum value is 100. So that is how we check for max and minimum. We have average and average if. So average returns the average of its argument. So average returns the average of its argument. So just like you have the max, so let's use the average. So if you do this, then you see it's returning the average of an argument. So it's returning the average. So what about average if? Let's check for average if. Equals to average if, we have to select the range, the criteria, and the average range. So just like we have sum if, we have to select the range, the criteria, and the average range. So let's start. So you can drag it down. That's your range. Then what's the criteria? Let's say we need to check for Haji, and what's going to be our average range value? So here, so if you check this, then the average of Haji is 369. So if you did the calculation, this Haji appears 3 times. If you check it, Haji appeared 3 times, and Haji has 300, 400, 400, and 407. So the average is 369. So that's the average range. That's how you calculate the average range. So let's continue by